Recording now.
Okay, now we're out bird hunting with my bow. I see 2 victims right up there. See if we can get them. Maybe a tricky son of a bitch.
Tricky, tricky.
Very tricky.
Maybe if we crawl.
I have a fucking razor blade in my pocket. I'm not cold.
You emo bastard.
They're downwind from us.
There's James in his stance.
Oh!
Oh! Did you know that bird was there?
Yeah.
Is that what you were aiming at? Nice. What? Yes.
Now just find a fucking area. Black and white. Black and orange. Where in the fucking name of Jesus?
Find out next week where the arrow went.
Found the arrow.
Under all the fucking shit.
7 weeks later. Yes, we still are in our same clothes. We've been out here for 7 weeks.
I stink, can you smell it?
Tristan smells like fucking ass. And they hadn't invented smeller camera yet. So,
Holy shit, what is this?
that is a purple nipple. No.
What is it?
That's a purple.
Shit! Seriously, what is that?
Then my other arrow. Found a big fucking cow.
Holy shit. As Janice LaSalle would call it. She lives on, what's her address?
I think it's 1014 Grant Street, Port Clinton, Ohio. She is Puerto Rican and she sucks cock.
Big time.
And she's got the fat ass and she likes to be butt fucked very hard.
Caution. Caution.
Very hard. Caution, her mom is a bitch. So give it to her in the mouth.
If there's a feather, we are tracking.
There, I found 2 more victims.
Where?
I found 2 more.
Holy shit. It's like shit holy all in one word. You want to see James get very pissed off? He's fucked up. I'm running very fast.
I got to quit smoking.
She doesn't, but still.
I found it. Oh, right here. I found Bigfoot. Look, he's walking.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
Oh, I got another victim.
He's getting into my hen coop. He flew away. There's a dead cat over here. I think Bigfoot ate it. Holy shit! Dude, Bigfoot ate another cat! If you don't like dead things, don't watch this. fucking tore it up big time.
This is a cat versus a lawnmower. I think the lawnmower won. And if you want the tail, here's the tail.
It's like a kitty cat.
And that's the wonderful line there now. Oh, I think there's another part of the cat.
Holy shit, it is.
Ah, that's the back leg. Bicycle!
Dude, Bigfoot's got my bike.
Okay, turn it off.
Get away, Bigfoot.
Okay, we'll see you next week. Bye.